Hi, hello, welcome to classes, online classes. So today we are going to discuss about advertising in BCom second year course. There is a subject advertising for BCom students in Kakatiya University. So today we are going to discuss about this subject. So here many a small thing has been made large by the right kind of advertising. So advertising is a key of the many small things. Here the definition, first of all we have to know definition of advertising. Let me know about definition of advertising. So let us discuss. So advertising, paid non-personal communication through various media about a business firm, not for profit organization, product or idea by an identified sponsor in a message that is intended to inform, persuade or influence audience. This is the definition of advertising. A complex form of communication using objects and strategies to impact consumer thoughts, feelings and actions. A form of marketing communication, all the techniques marketers. So moving to the next meaning of advertising. So we completed a definition of advertising. Here we discuss about meaning of advertising. So here the derived from original Latin word advertise, which means to turn the attention. Advertising is a tool of mass communication. It makes mass selling possible. It is a macro concept representing the entire advertising industry. It promotes goods through information and persuasion. So moving to the next. Figure number 2, here nature of advertising. So nature of advertising means, here we have to understand that a form of communication, paid of communication, non-personal form of information, identified sponsor, promotion, multiple mediums, wider choice. These are the nature of advertising. So next moving to the objectives of advertising or scope. So informative advertising, promotion that seeks to develop initial demand for a good, service, organization, person, place, idea or cause. This is informative advertising. Persuasive advertising, promotion that attempts to increase demand for an existing good, service, organization, person, place, idea or cause. Reminder advertising, advertising that reinforces previous promotional activity by keeping the name of good, service, organization, person, place, idea or cause before the public. So advertisers coordinate advertising object with the product stage in the product life cycle. So moving to the next, objective of advertisements. Here sales, awareness, familiarity with brand. Here it is a showing a picture in advertise. Next, creative of brand image, personality. Example here it is Old Spice, Axe. This is a creating brand image for advertising. Next, association of feelings with brand, Cadbury celebrations. So this is a different type of advertisement. The association with feelings with brand. So here it is a feeling and movement. India's first open network. We have nothing to hide. Next, reminder or inducement about brand and brand trial, Colgate whiteness meter. So here it is reminder type of trial Colgate whiteness matter. Here it is a Vim bar advertise. Here it is linkage of brand with experts and group norms. Pampers disappear Oral-B. So these are the group of brands. Next, advertising strategies. Advertising is a mean of bringing buyers and sellers together. Marketers often combine several strategies to meet their objectives. Comparative advertising. Comparative advertising strategy that emphasizes message with direct or indirect promotional comparison between competing brands. Market leaders seldom acknowledge competent brands. Next, moving to the celebrity testimonial. The use of celebrity spokespeople for products can build brand equity but can hurt brand in celebrity is hit by scandal. Everything you wish for, we have your Dil Ki Deal. It is a Snapdeal advertising by Amir Khan. Next, retail advertising, including all advertising by retail stores that sell goods or services directly to the consuming public. Cooperating advertising strategy, which a retailer shares advertising costs with a manufacturer or wholesaler. Here, interactive advertising involves two-way promotional message transmitted through communication channel that include message recipients to participate actively in promotional effect. Changes balance between markets and consumers. Next, moving to the next, role of advertising. Economic function creates wide market. Social function improved standard of living, promotes consumer welfare. Advertising promises a quality and forces manufacturer to live up to the quality. It invests a new product with confidence about its function, quality, price and availability. Next, psychological function. It is the effect of personality of the consumer, his attitude, beliefs, and options. Importance, benefits of advertising. So, advertisers LIC, sales turnover, it maintains the existing market and explores the new. It controls the product prices. Middleman, automobile, it guarantees quick sales. It acts as salesman. It makes possible retail price maintenance. Next, salesman, Eureka Forbes. Here it creates background. It lightens his burden of job. It instills self-confidence and initiative. Next, consumers, choice of brand, acts a driving force in decision making, ensures better quality products of reasonable prices. It's good deal of time. It is Aquaguard here it is Flipkart. Next, society. In this picture, it is an advertisement we have already seen in television. TV, it uplifts the living standards. It generates gainful employment opportunities. It provides new horizon of knowledge, classifieds and job ads. It affluates culture of nature, reflects and influence society. Advertisement educates the society. Defining modern advertising, the evaluation of advertising, identification, simple image found in ancient Babylonia, Egypt, Greece and Rome identified a business, manufacturer or store. Information, Gutenberg movable type of mechanized printing leading to mass communication. Next, promotion. The industrial revolution led to surplus goods, improved transportation and the need for new media. Sales. Here, advertisers became concerned about makes ads with worked and defined standards of effective advertising. Next, the 5 basic factors of advertising. Here, one is paid communication, number 2 sponsor identified, number 3 tries to inform pursued, number 4 research a large audience, number 5 message conveyed through many different kinds of largely non-personal mass media. Next, moving to the next. Here, 4 components of advertising: strategy, media, creating idea, creating execution. Effect of advertising. Here is 4 components. Next, 4 components of advertising. First one, advertising strategy. The strategy is logic and planning behind the ad that gives direction. Advertisers develop ads to meet objectives. Advertisers direct ads to identify audience. Advertisers create a message that speaks to audience concerned. Advertisers runs ad in. Next, Creating idea. Creating concept is central idea that grabs the consumer's attention and sticks in memory. Planning strategy requires creating problem solving. Research involves creatively. Buying and placing ads requires creating thinking. Next, creative execution. Effective ads are well executed, reflecting the highest production values in industry. Clients demand the best production budget allows. Number 4, media planning buying. Television, internet, magazines, and other media are used to reach the broad audience. Deciding how to deliver the message requires creatively. Place of marketing mix. Next, part of promotion mix in marketing mix. M&M department on another variable for existence. Advertising an importance concept of marketing mix with other elements. Promotion mix advertising lead to success marketing program. Advertising promotes non-commercial ventures also. Role of next role of advertising. Marketing role, communication role, economic role, social role. Here marketing role. Marketing is the process a business uses satisfy consumer needs and wants through goods and servicing. Communication role is advertising is a form of mass communication. Next, economic role. Economic role. Two main viewers about. Next, economic role. Two main views about advertising, either the market power model or economics of information theory. Society role informs us about new and improved products, teaches us the these innovative, etc. Next, moving to the next, the key players. Advertisers wants to send a message about business, initiative efforts by identifying a problem that advertiser can solve. Select the target audience, set the budget and approach the ad plan. Hires the agency record does the most business, manages other agencies. Here key players. Agencies have strategic and creative expertise, media knowledge, talent and negotiating abilities to operate more efficiently than the advertiser. Some large advertisers have in-house departments. When advertiser does not have an in-house agency, when the advertiser has an in-house agency. So there is a two figures that we can understand observing the figures. Next, moving to the key players. Media. Media is channel for communication that carries the message to audience. They are vehicle but also large media conglomerates like Time Warner and Viacom. So here next key players. Suppliers, group of service organizations that assist advertisers, agencies and media in creating and placing ad by providing specialized service. Artists, writers, photographs, directors, producers, printers, freelancers and consultants. So these are the key players, suppliers. Next one, key players, targeted audience, people to whom an ad is directed. Their responses determine if advertising is effective. Targeting is process of identify the people in the desired audience. Interactive technology allows ad to customize it to the target audience individual needs. So this is for today.